Have you ever been in a situation where you needed last minute film insurance? Or have you ever been in a situation where you didn't even know what film insurance was? Today, I'm going to show you how to get $1 million in film insurance in less than 3 minutes. But first off, what is film insurance? Most upcoming filmmakers may hear about film insurance, but don't know exactly what it is and used to run away from the idea of having to deal with film insurance. As a former upcoming filmmaker like myself, when I used to hear film insurance, I used to get very, very frightened at the idea of not knowing what it is and how hard it may be to get it. In actuality, it's really not that hard. I'm gonna break down exactly what film insurance is. Film insurance is like a safety net for movie production. It helps protect against unexpected events or losses that could disrupt filming, like accidents, equipment damage, or even bad weather. It's like buying a peace of mind for filmmakers. So not only it buys a peace of mind for the filmmakers, it also buys a peace of mind for the clients themselves. It's up to you as the filmmaker to provide the film insurance at all times. But about 90% of filmmakers actually don't have film insurance. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna show you guys how to get film insurance coverage for about 24 hours in case you are in an emergency. I'm gonna give you guys a quick example of something that happened the other week while I was on set as an assistant director. So currently the producer wasn't in the room at the moment. I think she was actually just picking up certain things for the set. While we were shooting, while my director was, I believe he was about in his 3rd shot by now, we was asked from the actual location manager, hey, where's your COI? And at the moment, I'm just like, wait a minute, you're asking us about our COI right now? You guys didn't ask us this before we gave you this money, before we did this for you, before we did that for you. All these meetings that we had, and at this very moment, while we're in the middle of our set, now you're asking for our COI. So obviously, we didn't have that at the moment. What I remember when I was in a bind, I remember the website that I used called Timble.com. Timble.com is a very, very great website. And before I even continue, guys, I am not being paid to say this. I am not being promoted to say this. I'm giving you guys strictly free game as a filmmaker. But Timble.com is the best place you want to go to in case you're looking for last minute production insurance at very low cost rates. The reason why most filmmakers actually do not pay for film insurance on a monthly basis is because it's very expensive, and sometimes we may not have those 6-figure sets that we're consistently using our film insurance. So sometimes it doesn't even make sense to even pay for it. But if you're looking for an opportunity to use it one time for a situation, this is the perfect time. What I did was I told the director, hey, don't worry. I went to Timble.com. I went on my phone. It took me about 3 minutes. I quickly got insurance to help cover the place. I'm gonna give you guys some step-by-step instructions on how to simply do it. It is pretty easy. Even myself, I thought it was pretty hard to get, but it's actually very, very easy. Let me show you guys how to do this right now. So right now, guys, take your time, make your account on Timble, put your first, last name, email, business you're representing, and etc. So right here, guys, you wanna go to buy a policy. You want to first put your zip code. I live in Miramar. So in this case, you want to look for the type of coverage you may need. You're going to need your business insurance. So you're going to click business insurance, click next, put videographer, general liability insurance. You want to check this off. Sometimes the place that you will be working at may also ask for workers' compensation insurance, but unless it say it, don't really get it. You know, like just don't get it. Just check off what you may need, which most of the time is general liability insurance. Click next. So how long you will need the coverage, unless you're shooting for an entire month, get a month or more. If you're not, click less than a month. So it's either or. You can either or. If you have a full crew, click yes. If it's just you, click no. I usually click yes. Put the number of employees that you want to add to the general liability insurance. Let's say you have about 10 people, you could just put 10. So right here, you get to figure out the coverage dates that you guys want. So you can start from, for example, if you have a shoot today, it's at 4. You can start from 4 and the shoot ends like around like what, 12? Start from 4 to 12. Click continue. So just make sure to check off everything. If you want to check this off, that's up to you. Again, from my experience, from seeing how my crew operate, we do a great job keeping our gear intact. So, you know, this is a bit risky, but you don't have to. All right, so right here, just get your business info. My business name is Greatest Productions LLC. My address is right here. I will be covering it for specific reasons. All right, perfect. So that should be about it. Now, what you guys want to do, you want to preview the certificate. This is very important, so listen very closely. So you're going to see primary insured, which is yourself and your company, and you want to go to additional insured. Additional insured is what you want to have insured. Let's say, for example, I'm going to shoot at Smoky Bones Restaurant in Plantation, which I have done in the past. So I'm going to copy their address. I already have the name of Smoky Bones Plantation. So I'm just gonna copy their address. Certificate holder, you want to put their address right here. You want to put the insured name, which will be Smoky Bones Plantation. I do not feel like typing it up, guys. Please forgive me. And then you want to click save. And then you want to put their email. So whoever is helping you, whoever is helping you do all of this, like whoever is the location manager, you just want to put their email. So I'm just gonna put my email then at this point. All right, so that should be covered. Now all you guys have to do is just continue to payment, make your payment, and after that, you guys should be basically good. So after you continue your payment, after you do absolutely everything you need to do, you're gonna get an email of a PDF that should look something like this. And this is what you wanna turn in to the restaurant or the client or the venue that you are renting out. So as you guys can see, you guys will have a limit for every single occurrence. For example, damage to the premises, medical expenses, personal or personal injuries, products, for example, and this is only if something were to happen. So just make sure nothing doesn't happen, guys, and you guys should be good to go. But this is going to be an example of what you get sent to your email. Just send this to the location that you guys will be shooting at, and you guys should be good to go. You guys should have a straight solid shoot. This only took me about 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes. This only really took me. It probably took a little bit longer on video, but it only took me about 3 minutes in real time to just get this done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My goal right now is to strictly give a lot of information that I wish I had when I was coming up as a filmmaker. I really do hope that whoever is watching this video right now, you guys were able to grasp how easy getting film insurance is. There's gonna be more stuff coming to this channel, more tutorials, more music videos, more topics, and a lot much more other great things. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe for more content. Let's go.